Hello, I'm here at the 2026 Florida RV Show with Ryan from Pebble. So tell me, what have you got here?
Yeah, so we've got a 25-foot travel trailer. It's 24 feet 8 inches, fully electric. It's got motors in the rear wheels and a bunch of other cool features that help it to basically remote control up to your vehicle, can assist your tow. It's got magic hitch. It's a bunch of cool things.
My goodness.
Let's take a look.
Definitely.
Oh,
Can we squeeze in behind you guys?
yeah, that's nice.
All right, inside the vehicle, we've got a few things. Right now, we've got our Murphy bed down. I'm gonna go ahead and lift it up here for you. And you're gonna see the stuff that was here overnight, it's right there for you in the morning.
Oh, goodness.
So you can leave like up to like 5 inches of stuff there. And then a pretty wide desk area. You could actually like have 2 people work back here.
Okay, so you can actually leave stuff on this workstation.
Exactly, as long as you're not towing.
Wow, okay.
Yep. We've got overhead storage down here for like packing cubes or like clothes or whatever else you want.
Right.
We've got, one of our cooler features would be our windows. So you can switch the window privacy.
Oh my goodness.
So we call that smart glass. And then the same glass applies to our bathroom here.
Okay.
So I can step in here.
Oh my, wow.
There you go.
Don't have to mess with blinds, shades.
Exactly. And again, that is actually a dry bath. So you're seeing a pretty tall shower up to like people who are 6'2", 6'3" should be able to comfortably shower in there without even crouching. And again, separate from the toilet there. We've also got what we call a wandering cooktop. So you can actually remove this, take it outside.
Okay.
So you can leave it plugged in here if you want. But you can also cook outside at your campsite. We've got, large undersink storage. You've got pantry storage up here as well.
Yeah. So the manually I can open. There's no manual. There might be manual operation.
Look at that.
A spice rack.
Nice.
And then I'll swing around behind me here to our large refrigerator freezer area. And you're seeing there's a pizza in there. We actually drove this thing across the country. I drove it behind a Rivian, and we bought 2 pizzas along the way, but we made one of them in our 4-way microwave convection oven. So it also air fries and broils.
Oh my gosh.
Up here, we've got kind of a dinette area, so you can have it set up as a place to sit and work and eat. Or first of all, let me lock it into place so it doesn't slide around. When I have it not locked into place, I'm gonna pinch this, lower it, and make it into another bed.
And look at that. You did that pretty quickly.
Yep, and then those back cushions come off as well if you wanted more space. And there's storage under there as well.
Great.
Finally, if you swing around to the other side, we've got a little dog bowl there.
Look at that.
It's just magnetically secured back in there.
Wow, you've thought of everything. So which windows open up in here?
So just the 2 windows. We've got bug screens for all the windows, but there's the back one that's open right now, the side one, and the door. And again, there are bug screens that clip into place.
Great. Sounds wonderful.
On top of that, let's just cover a little more storage. There's storage here. We've got some jackets hanging right now, hanging storage. We've got enough room for 3 carry-on bags there.
In order to make that.
And then under this dinette here, I'm gonna squeeze my hand in
I'm seeing
here.
that. There's more storage under there.
Yep, so actually I'm gonna, up here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this open. You can access our cargo storage area there. And that's accessible from the outside of the vehicle as well.
Okay.
There you go.
Where is the AC unit? I'm not seeing it
So
in
yeah,
here.
the AC's not on the top. It is at the front of the vehicle.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go out there.
Let's do it.
So from here we can do a few things. I'm gonna go ahead and open our cargo tunnel doors. This is a full pass-through, but also, as you see here, has 3 outlets. And so that can be used for your cooktop or like a Starlink. So you've got a pass-through for Starlink. So you can run the cable from the outlet through there, out here, and just have your Starlink outside,
great.
or have your Starlink maybe suction cups here if you'd like. This aero box is designed to pop up and down. I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you. I'll go more exterior aero box. I'm gonna deploy the aero box. That's gonna come up, and it makes the vehicle just a little bit more aerodynamic for you towing it down the road.
Oh, wonderful.
As that's coming up, we'll transition around again. You'll see the other side of that cargo tunnel storage. I'll go ahead and close that. Down here, We've got your export for your gray and black water.
Okay.
So you can use that through the iPad here. You can do each one individually from the tanks menu, or you can use a feature that we call Auto Dump. So Auto Dump is designed to force out your black water. It's a 3 macerator system. So you tap that, you accept, you basically authenticate, say this is what I intend to do, because you wouldn't want to do it right now when that's closed. You force out the black water, you force the gray water through the black water, and then a little bit of fresh water to clean it up.
Very convenient.
Again, our large wheels, which encase our large inline motors, so there's a motor on each side. Back here, you've got your water inlet, your water overflow, your J1772 inlet, as well as your CCS, so these are sectionable. And the idea is you can plug that into a 50 amp, a 30 amp, or even a 110 if you really wanted to. And then you've got a NEMA 1450 here. So you can plug in a bunch of things. You can use this as home backup. You can use that 45 kilowatt battery for home backup. Or what I've used it for is actually to back up my car. I've been in a situation where I didn't plan to tow that day, and I ran my Rivian all the way to 0 miles and then some. So when I got back to my vehicle after going to an event, I had no range left. And I was able to plug into here. Well, first I remote controlled this to the other side of my Rivian, and I plugged in. 15 minutes later, I had enough range basically to put my car back in drive and move it to the other side of the parking lot where there were free chargers.
Great.
I'm from here, but I never did camping.
On the back,
I'm camping in California, so it's...
there's a hitch receiver for up to 160 pounds of e-bikes right there. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, it comes in 4 colors. Sand, it comes in sky, poppy, or exclusive to our first 500 vehicles, founders vehicles, fern.
Oh wow, pretty colors. So Dennis, what can you tell me about the electrical system?
Yes, so the vehicle has a main battery of 45 kilowatt hour, a lithium ion phosphate, and we also have a 12 kilowatt output AC inverter that powers a lot of the home electronics, handles the exterior outlet, and we also have 1.1 kilowatt of solar on the roof, so you can charge your vehicle while you are towing along the road.
Incredible.
So
wow. Thank you for that information.
yes, thank you.
Now to check out Pebble, I'm gonna get started with our next demo. First things first, I'm gonna trigger Instacamp. Instacamp is gonna do a few things for us. First, it's gonna bring up those 4 stabilizers. Then the stairs are gonna go in, and then the levelers will come up. After that, the jack will do a little minor adjustment, and then after that's complete, I'm gonna remote control this up to the Silverado. When I get about 5 feet from the Silverado, I'm gonna use Magic Hitch, and it's gonna do the rest of that for me. The whole process will take about 5 minutes. So now that the stabilizers are up, the stairs are going in, then the 2 levelers will come up one at a time. Once that's complete, I'm gonna go to motion. I'm gonna authenticate, just to say it's me and this is what I intend to do. I'm gonna adjust the speed, and then I'm gonna remote control it forward. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and rotate it. And I'm gonna remote control it forward again. Once more, I'm gonna rotate. And now I'm much less than 5 feet, but I can press and hold on Magic Hitch, and it'll use the camera in the front, some AI, and those 2 rear motors to slowly find that ball hitch for me. It just applied the parking brake, and now it is lowering itself onto that ball hitch. It'll put about 680 pounds on that ball hitch. And just for context, the whole vehicle is 6,800 pounds when it's fully loaded, 5,800 when it's dry. I'm gonna go ahead and stop there once the wheel comes off the ground. The last things for me to do would be just to connect the cables, the 7-pin, as well as release the parking brake. But I'm gonna now go ahead and do the inverse. I'm gonna go to more, exterior, jack, extend, and then I'm gonna remote control it backwards and re-trigger Instacamp. Once I see daylight, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to camp, motion. Again, I'm gonna authenticate to indicate this is what I intend to do. I'm gonna go ahead and remote control it backward. It is moving itself. I'm remote controlling it, I'm gonna rotate it. And again, remote control it back towards me. One more time, I'm gonna rotate it. I'll stop right about there. And again, I'm gonna trigger Instacamp. As you've already started to see, Instacamp is doing a few things for us. It adjusted the jack wheel. The leveler is just finished coming down. The 4 stabilizers are now coming down, and then the stairs will come out once it's ready to explore again. As you're seeing, the whole process takes about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Now that the 4 stabilizers are in place, you'll see the stairs will pop out, and it's ready for camp.
All right, well, so thank you so much for showing us around today.
You're welcome.
And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.